Hello everyone! Today I wanna be turning into a Victoria's Secret angel. So first and foremost, to look like a Victoria's Secret angel, you have to be wearing Charlotte Tilbury's makeup. And for that reason, I have already purchased a few of her products, which I am going to be testing and trying with you today. Well, because I want to try to make full face Charlotte Tilbury, I want to try and test these one out. I have two testers, so let me try them out and let me give you my personal opinion. Okay, let me see what it says at the back of the Charlotte Tilbury's Wonderglow is apply under foundation, over foundation, or on its own after Charlotte Magic Cream. I think I'm gonna try over the foundation because I really want to see a little bit of glow on my face. So in this case, I will test this out on top of my foundation. But let me just start now with the cream. It smells fantastic. Let's just apply generously so that we it feels very moisturizing, but I would say that it's not very light and transparent, but it creates like a little bit of oily shield on my face. But let's just continue with the foundation and then see how it's gonna look like. The GIORGIO ARMANI one, as always, and then apply very lightly. And as I said, I want to test the Wonderglow on top of my foundation. It kind of works like a cream, because when I put the foundation normally makes my skin a little bit drier, even if it's on top of the cream. But this one, when I just put on top, it kind of make it more smooth. Wow, I would say that I'm actually in love with this product. The minute I tried it, I think I have to have it. So I really wanted to try Charlotte Tilbury's powder, and when I saw the brush that she was applying with, I thought I have to have that brush as well. I would just start first with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use again Dior Show Brow Styler and try to fill in the gaps and make my eyebrows a little bit thicker than they are actually. So on this, for this reason, I have to start painting on top, like drawing lines on top. And again, I want them to look as natural as possible. So I'm not gonna create that flick, and I'm not gonna create like an angle, but I will just try to make them thicker and roundish. So you can see the difference. Let me just take this color and then just apply it on the eye. What I like about this one, because I tried for it for the first time, and I thought it's gonna be more shiny and shimmery, And I don't like that shiny because it's not really looking good on your eyes if it's not really smoked out perfectly. But even though it could look too much, I would say that this color really blends into my skin. It is not that shiny, and it's just a nice color as a start for your eyes. Then I'm gonna take another brush, another fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take from this pinky color, which is matte, and then apply here on the corner. I really like it. It's a very subtle color, very gentle and subtle. Okay, and what I'm gonna do next is take these two brushes, and I want to use this color right here, the brownish one, and extend and create like a long V. I am going to start with this brush first, so I go into the crease. And then while I'm here, I will make like a V. I'm just gonna blend it with a slightly bigger brush. I want to take the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Verushka Mink, and I want to apply it right in the corner. Try to use the pencil inside. Now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara even without using any eyelash curler. I'm just gonna apply, this one is Monsieur Big Lancome, and I want to apply more in the corners, in the outer corner, and try to extend. So if you apply mascara on your lashes, that way you will elongate your eyes. If you apply the mascara this way, then you're actually going to make your eyes wider and more open. I applied 2 coats of mascara, and down I'm just going to keep the brush like this and maybe just very slightly do the corners very gently. But I actually realized I'm not ready with the eyeshadow because I forgot to put on my lower lash. And I am going to take the angle brush and apply eyeshadow in the inner corner, and then just blend it. And this color, which is the darker one, in the outer corner, trying to connect it with the part from the upper we are going to blend that all in. I'm taking the MAC crayon and putting it here just in the corner. I don't really want to go across the lip, but just in the inner corner. We are going to take this color with the finger and just pop it in the middle. I'm going to do the lips now, and I'm going to test out the new color Supermodel. And I actually found a lip liner that is a perfect match for the Supermodel lipstick, and it's not Charlotte Tilbury, it's a little bit cheaper, and it is called Radiant. I believe that is a Greek brand, I'm not completely sure. And the color is Toffee 17. It is long lasting, so it's gonna stay on your lips for a longer time, and it's gonna create and reshape your size the way that the lip cheat Charlotte Tilbury does, and you're gonna see how does this look like. I've been testing and trying this color for a few weeks now, and I really like the consistency. Because the color is slightly darker, I could say that even without the lip shade, you can create and reshape your lip. Okay, and that looks perfect. As I said, the color is supposed to be matte color, but of course it has a little bit of shine. It's not as matte as MAC is, and this one is very hydrating. Probably that's the reason why it doesn't really look like a very super matte color, but it makes your lips, and it keeps them super hydrated throughout the day. And yeah, you can actually use it without lip liner. It can kind of recreate a shape or something. But in this case, because we want to be super glowy and we want to be super Victoria's Secret, I'll just use a little bit of shine, and the shine is not gonna be a lip gloss, but I want to use the Bitch Perfect, which is a kind of pinkish color, on top of this one, and I'm just gonna apply it really gently in the middle. And there comes the other product that I've been wanting to try for so long. I am going to try and test it out today, and of course I want to test it out with this brush, and I'm going to do that for you right now. And I'm gonna put a little bit here. And then I'm gonna take the same brush and take from the other color and do like the V. And I could just say that I am in love with this product. I can see the difference. I can see my face is glowing. And my absolute favorite is this product. It is amazing. It makes your skin adorable. The powder is super gentle, so it set my makeup without making it super dusty or super matte, and the applicator just make the perfect job for that, to apply the powder and then to apply the highlighter and the contouring. I'm completely in love with Charlotte Tilbury, and also, as I said, the Wonderglow is something that I will definitely buy on my next purchase. I like how the eyeshadows kind of blend like into my skin. It's not making my eyes dusty. That's what I don't like about the shine, and even the eyeshadows that I have from other brands, they just kind of make my eyes dusty, and especially the blinky ones. So this really blends into your skin and really just make your eyes stand out. And finally, I want to say thank you, Charlotte. I feel like one of the angels now.